How to fix notification sounds going low on iPhone. Let's get started. Start by checking the volume settings. For that, launch your Settings app, then scroll down, navigate to the option of Sound and Haptics. Now you can use the slider to increase the volume. Likewise, you can enable for the option Change with Volumes. Now you can use your side buttons to increase or decrease the volume for a device. After you check these settings, now what you have to do is disable attention aware features. For that, hit back. Now head over to the option Face ID and Passcode. Enter your phone's passcode. Now here you're going to find this option Attention Aware Features. Make sure you have toggle off for this option. This will prevent the volume from automatically reducing when you are waving your phone. Next, check Do Not Disturb and Focus modes. Focus modes can silence or lower notification sounds. So what you have to do is head back, then navigate to the option of Focus. Make sure any of these options are not enabled. Next, restart your iPhone. Restarting your device can fix minor software glitches. Go to the main page of settings, click on the option General, click on the option Shutdown. Once you turn off your phone, wait for a few minutes and then turn it back. If none of these solutions work, what you have to do is click on the option Software Update. Now check for Software Update. If you find any updates over here, just update your phone software to its latest version. Last up, reset all settings. Head back, click on the option Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset all settings. Then provide your phone's passcode and continue with the process. With these steps, your notification volume should turn back to normal. If it still doesn't work, consider contacting Apple support for additional help. Thanks for watching.